Hello and welcome everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about while loop and why we are using while loop. This is the continuation of control flow statement that we were discussing previously in our series. Now why we are using while loop in Java. So in Java we are using while loop when the number of iteration is not fixed. For that purpose, we are going to make the approach to the while loop. Iteration is not fixed. Now let me show you how we are going to use syntax for the while loop. So here simple we are writing one keyword while, inside that we are putting some condition which is a boolean value, then there inside curly braces we are putting some body. This body will be executed till this condition is going to be true. In case this condition become false, we are going to terminate this while loop and will exit out of our while loop. Now let's see this practically while using Java in our IDE. So like you can see here, I am already having one ready-made project here. Inside that I am having one source folder and I am going to create one class saying I am going to say that while control flow, and after that here we are done with creating our class, and inside class I am going to create one method. Now let's check. I am going to create one variable here with the help of integer, and in that integer I am going to declare one number. That number is going to be something like 1 here. After that we are going to write our loop where I am saying while. After that I will put one condition inside our bracket. Let's say the condition is number is less than 10. So till the number is true we are going to print the body. So here I am going to say that system.out.println. Now what it is going to do, that we are going to print our number. After that we are putting one condition increment here. So let's see how it is going to work. So here the condition is going to be something like number, the same number we are increasing by 1. Now let me run this program and how it is going to work. So here like you can see that here if you will check, the number of iteration is not fixed here. So now here in the line number 7 you can see that this loop is going to iterate continuously until this condition is going to false. So here the number of iteration is not fixed, that we know, and this condition is until true. This while loop is going to continue, and when this condition become false, this is not going to execute and the while loop will be terminated, which will become out of the body. Now here again I am showing you how this is going to work. So now let's check, and I am going to run this into a debug mode. So here I have started my program as a debug mode and I am waiting debugger to come. Now you can see the number here is coming like 1, and this time the number is going to be the 2. Now in the next condition the number is true, and with the help of this number plus plus increment operator, every time this number is going to increase. So now let me step over, and this is going to print from 1 to 9. So how many time it is iterating, that you can see here. So it is iterating from 1 to 9. It means it is iterating 9 times. In case this condition we are going to put something like false. So let me make it something like false, and what it is going to say. So here it will give a compile time issue saying that loop condition is always false, making the loop body unreachable. Means you cannot put false. It will only become false when the condition does not satisfy whatever we are declared inside while. Now in case I want to put something like true here, so what it is going to do? Now next thing that I am going to execute in this program is going to continuous print the number. The number is going to print continuously and increase. It means this is going to be the indefinite loop. Now let me terminate this program to stop it, and again let me remove this increment operator, and how we are going to check the behavior of this program. Now let's see the number that we were using earlier, we were incrementing it by 1. So that is why every time number was increasing in the console. Let me expand it here, and you can see this continuation is still going on. So this infinite loop will not stop. So by this you are clear why we are using while loop. We are using while loop until the condition becomes false, where the number of iterations that we know is not fixed. Now here I am terminating my program. Now here let me put something like 5, and I am going to run this program. So here how it is going to behave. So it is going to print from 5 to 9. So till here you have understood that this body is going to execute only when the condition inside the while loop is given is true. In case the condition become false, this body is not going to execute and it will come out of our while loop. I hope you guys have understood it well. In case you are having any problem, you can comment it out below section. Thank you. Bye bye.